Let's talk about the only YouTube growth system that you will need in 2025 and beyond. Small creators struggle for years to hit 100,000 subs, but what if you could do it within months? Now, if you are asking how is this different from anything else you have seen before, most gurus sell vague advice and outdated SEO hacks, or even expensive video editing services. Now, none of that actually guarantees any growth. Now, we have built and tested and proven a step-by-step system that works across multiple channels, including my own. If you are tired of wasting time guessing, this system gives you the exact content strategy, audience targeting and monetization plan to grow your audience and get monetized even faster. With niche selection and content stacking, you never run out of viral ideas. With algorithm mastery, YouTube pushes your videos for free. With a done-for-you monetization roadmap, so you make money without needing a million subs. I have used this exact framework to grow multiple channels, including my own Stoutimon Solutions. With this exact framework, I was able to 50x my views and double my sub count within 2 weeks. And I'm not the only one to achieve this. The only thing stopping you is not having the right systems. And that's exactly why I built this. So you can skip years of trial and error and start getting results right now. Most of our clients tend to see results within the first 30 to 60 days. We start with a one-on-one deep dive into your channel, craft a personalized growth plan for you, and we give you everything from video scripts, content calendars, and SEO strategies to monetization tactics that actually work. It just works. We start off with a strategy call and map out your unique growth plan. Next, we implement viral frameworks, so you get proven video templates and SEO tactics. Next is a monetization setup, so you can turn your views into an income even if you have a small audience. And finally is scaling and automation, so you can grow faster with high ROI systems. So what do you have to lose? The truth is, the longer you wait, the harder it actually gets. YouTube isn't slowing down, and if you are not taking advantage right now, somebody else will. So if you are ready to stop struggling and start growing now, click the link below, book a call, and let's start scaling your channel.